Shifting focus completely to the United States now, as part of his proposed $2.3 trillion infrastructure plan, U.S. President Joe Biden has touted his corporate tax proposal. He says that a raise in the tax would not dampen the already fragile economy and drive business abroad. The Democratic president once again took aim at the 50 or 51 corporations on the Fortune 500 list that paid no taxes at all for 3 years. He said that it was time for them to pay their share.
Not at all. Look, the tax, because there's no evidence of that. The tax was 36%. It's now down to 21%. And the idea that's bizarre. We were talking about a 28% tax that everybody thought was just fair enough for everybody. The idea is here you have 51 or 52. I'm going to push as hard as I can to change the circumstance so we can compete with the rest of the world. Compete with the rest of the world. Everybody around the world is investing billions and billions of dollars in infrastructure, and we're going to do it here. Thank you.
The White House is planning to raise the corporate tax by 28% from the previous 21%. This to help pay for his infrastructure spending plans. The rate was cut from 35% to 21% in 2017 under Biden's predecessor, Donald Trump. Republicans worry that raising the corporate rate so soon after reducing it could make the U.S. a less attractive option to businesses considering where to locate new factories, jobs and profits. And amid these concerns, the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is leading an effort to inspire other nations to institute a minimum tax levy on corporations. This to ensure that no one nation gains a competitive advantage. Tax experts say that without a global minimum, the United States would again be at a disadvantage to a number of other major economies with lower tax rates. This as the U.S. commits to help jumpstart negotiations for a tax deal among a number of major economies.
We're working with G20 nations to agree to a global minimum corporate tax rate that can stop the race to the bottom. Together, we can use a global minimum tax to make sure the global economy thrives based on a more level playing field in the taxation of multinational corporations and spurs innovation, growth, and prosperity.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.